Soi 6 in Pattaya is well known for its nightlife scene. It is a popular street with bars, restaurants, and entertainment venues. Soi 6 is particularly famous for its go-go bars, beer bars, and music venues, making it a lively spot for those looking to experience Pattayas. The street comes alive in the evenings, offers various options for drinks, music, and, however, it's important to note that Soi 6 is also known for its adult-themed entertainment, so visitors should be aware of the nature of the establishments in this area. Some of the popular go-go bars and beer bars on Soi 6 and Pattaya include 1. Ruby Club, a well-known go-go bar on Soi 6 with lively music, dancing, and entertainment. 2. Night Wish Bar, a popular beer bar offering a relaxed atmosphere and friendly staff. 3. Mandarin Club, another go-go bar on Soi 6 known for its energetic performances and vibrant ambience. 4. Pussy Club, this go-go bar attracts visitors with its music, shows, and lively crowd. 5. Scooters Bar, a favorite among beer bar enthusiasts, offering drinks, music, and a fun atmosphere. 6. Queen Club, known for its dazzling shows and lively atmosphere, making it a popular spot on Soi 6. These are just a few options, and there are many more bars and clubs to explore on Soi 6 and Pattaya. Remember to have a great time while staying safe and being respectful of the local culture. Sure, here are a few more go-go bars and beer bars on Soi 6 and Pattaya that you might want to check out. 7. Toy Box Bar, a popular go-go bar known for its playful and entertaining shows. 8. Ruby Club, this go-go bar on Soi 6 is a favorite among visitors for its lively atmosphere and music. 9. Butterfly Bar, a well-established beer bar offering a relaxed setting to enjoy drinks and socialize. 10. Sexy in the City, another go-go bar on Soi 6 featuring exciting performances and a vibrant crowd. 11. The Boomerang, a laid-back beer bar where you can unwind with a cold drink and good company. 12. So What Bar, this beer bar is known for its friendly staff and welcoming atmosphere, perfect for a casual night out. These bars offer a mix of entertainment, music, and drinks, catering to different preferences and tastes. Enjoy exploring Soi 6 and Pattaya and make the most of your nightlife experience. Pattaya Beach Road nightlife is renowned for its vibrant and diverse offerings that cater to a wide array of tastes and preferences. The nightlife in Pattaya is often associated with its bustling entertainment scene, which includes bars, nightclubs, live music venues, and more. Here are some highlights of what you can experience during a night out on Pattaya Beach Road. 1. Walking Street. Although technically just off Beach Road, Walking Street is the epicenter of Pattaya's nightlife and is often what people refer to when talking about the area's evening entertainment. It's a pedestrian-only zone after 6 p.m. and is lined with nightclubs, go-go bars, beer bars, and live music venues. The street is bright with neon signs and is usually packed with tourists and locals alike. 2. Beach Road Bars. Along Beach Road itself, there are numerous bars where you can enjoy a drink with a view of the sea. These range from relaxed, open-air beer bars to more upscale lounge bars. 3. Live music. Several venues offer live music ranging from Thai pop and rock to international covers. Some bars and restaurants feature live bands that play well into the night. 4. Cabaret Shows. Pattaya is famous for its extravagant ladyboy cabaret shows, which are a unique form of entertainment featuring elaborate costumes, lip-syncing, and choreography. 5. Street performers. As you stroll along Beach Road, you may encounter street performers and buskers, adding to the festive atmosphere. 6. Food vendors. Nightlife in Pattaya isn't just about the drinks and music, it's also about the food. Street food vendors and late-night eateries offer everything from traditional Thai dishes to international snacks. 7. Night markets. Some night markets in the area stay open late, allowing you to shop for souvenirs, clothing, and other items under the night sky. 8. Safety. While Pattaya's nightlife can be exhilarating, it's important to stay safe. Keep an eye on your belongings, watch your drinks, and be cautious when interacting with strangers. It's also wise to agree on prices beforehand for any services or goods to avoid misunderstandings. Remember that the atmosphere and offerings can change, and it's always a good idea to check the latest travel advice and local regulations, especially in light of events that may affect the nightlife scene, such as public holidays or health and safety measures. Pattaya Beach Road is a bustling waterfront promenade in Pattaya, Thailand, that runs parallel to the city's main beach, Pattaya Beach. This iconic road is known for its vibrant atmosphere and is a hub of activity both during the day and at night. Here's a brief overview of what you can expect along Pattaya Beach Road. 1. Beach activities. Pattaya Beach offers a variety of water sports and activities, such as jet skiing, parasailing, and banana boat rides. You can also rent beach chairs and umbrellas to relax and enjoy the sun. 2. Shopping. Along Beach Road, you will find numerous shops selling souvenirs, beachwear, and other goods. There are also several shopping malls nearby, including Central Festival Pattaya Beach, which is one of the largest malls in the area. 3. Dining. The area boasts a wide range of dining options, from street food vendors to upscale restaurants. Seafood is particularly popular, given the coastal location, but you can find a variety of cuisines to suit any taste. 4. Nightlife. Pattaya Beach Road is famous for its nightlife, with many bars, nightclubs, and entertainment venues open until the early hours of the morning. The walking street, located at the southern end of Beach Road, is particularly renowned for its lively after-dark scene. 5. Hotels. There is a wide array of accommodation options along Beach Road, from budget guest houses to luxury hotels, many offering stunning sea views and easy access to the beach. 6. Street performers and events. The promenade is often home to street performers, and various events and festivals take place throughout the year, adding to the lively atmosphere. 7. Transportation. The road is well served by local transportation, including songthiwas, shared pickup trucks, that run along the beach road and can take you to different parts of the city for a small fee. Pattaya Beach Road is a must-visit for anyone looking to experience the essence of Pattaya's urban beach life, with its mix of leisure, shopping, and entertainment options. Always be mindful of your belongings, as the area can be crowded, and it's important to stay safe while enjoying all that Pattaya Beach Road has to offer.